Hey guys, Carlos Perez, and we're doing an update real quick. A lot of people, well, not a lot of people, like two guys said, we don't really like the streams. So could you guys go back to your other streams you had, which of course we want you guys to be happy as resellers. So we are going to go back and I'm just going to go through some of the lists right now so you can see, like I said, we have everything back up. We have all the streams working. We're just going to click through a few things. So let's see, baby first. If you look over here on this side, you'll see that it's going down the list. So we click on the play button baby first. So then, all the channels come up. Now there's going to be a slight delay because I'm recording this also. So you can see, so baby TV local, that's the, I think that's a low def one because of the way it's going out. Bloomberg. And then you'll see over here that we have like low bandwidth and things like that. As Boomerang. So the low bandwidth ones we're probably going to end up taking out and just keep all of the high def stuff in there. So we'll go over to C-SPAN just so you guys can see. So we're going to have everything back up and working fine. Go over here to the Cartoon Network. So you see the quality is still there. It's really rich and vibrant. Cartoon Network West Coast. CBS Action. So like I said, I'm just going to go through some of the main ones people like to see. Cheddar, which is out in Canada. They're a big company. We are going to have the local channels, yes, still. We're going to have all of the movie channels. Everything's going to be in here. So I want you guys to see that we are adding the new channels into everything. We're also going to do a different panel. We want you guys to have more flexibility on how you add people. So the panel you can add either the emulator or the IPTV app directly. So we're going to make it so that it's really easy, user friendly. I'm doing videos on that today. The IPTV apps will be ready tonight. We had an issue with the Amazon functionality, which those Fire Sticks, I guess a lot of you guys have them. So we're actually trying to take care of that, make sure everything is working perfectly with that. So again, as you guys can see, we have all of our channels. They're up, they're crystal clear. So we're going to get rid of the old channel list that my two main guys said, they didn't like. They wanted us to go back to what they thought were better channels, more stability. So we're going to do that. And as you can see on this side right here, guys, I'm going to scroll down slow. Oop, that was too fast. I'm going to scroll down real slow so you guys can see. So you see the ESPNs, all the sports for Ohio, North, New Orleans. So we're putting everything back the way it was, the Big Ten networks, all the packs, all the skies. So again, everything is going to be in here. Let me pause this. We're not going to be sacrificing any quality whatsoever. The 24/7 channels. The foreign channels. So people that want it like us to keep those, we'll make packages so you can have the Arabic channels, the Spanish channels, the Portuguese channels, German, Indian. So we will, Italian, we will separate those, the Puerto Rico channels, like you see up here. So we're going to put everything in separate categories and bouquets. So if your customers, want Italy, UK, whatever, we'll have everything sectioned off. Typically, we don't put it out there, but we want you guys to have more of a variety. So you're going to be able to have, again, all the Asian channels, multilingual channels, just everything. And we're going to have everything up. These are going to be locals and stuff for the US. So nothing is going to change. We're adding, there's like 3,000. So we're putting them all back up, all back into the panel so that you guys will be able to watch anything you want to watch. So you can see the little gaps in there because I was going really quick so they don't show. But yes, the NBA, the NFL, everything is going back normal. So there's nothing you guys will not have. Now, just a quick update. So today, because of the Amazon Fire Stick thing, we had to retweak the software. So in doing that, we're going to get that out. We're going to have our new channels up, the new panel installed, because people didn't like just being able to add Mac or have to go to a separate panel to add the stream. So instead of going from panel to do different things, we're going to put everything into the one panel. So look out for my videos for tonight. Once the other software is done, we'll be giving it to our guys. You guys can test it. And then we should be taking the panel live tomorrow, where you can add all of your customers into everything you need to do. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to text me at 760-422-3052. I will be busy most of the day because we still have to make sure everything is working flawlessly for you guys, so that you have the ability to get it to your people and that they're going to be super, super happy. And for you guys that wanted the locals in every market, I didn't want to do it. You know I didn't want to do it. You know I hate the locals, but because you guys asked for it, you wanted it, we're doing it. But all I ask is that if there's problems with the locals, do not beat me up with the baseball bat behind it. They do work, they don't work, because like I said, there's 480 of them, 480 local channels. So you could imagine, how difficult it is to monitor all those. So once again, thank you guys for being patient, sticking in there. Get that software out tonight. Once we get that bug with the Fire Stick fixed, all of the channels will be going back in. You guys will be able to have all the packages: Germany, Filipino, Indian, Chinese, Canadian, the Caribbean, everything. That will be a bouquet, so you can sell custom packages to your people. So thanks you guys for giving me this time. Again, if you need me, 760-422-3052. I will text you back when I'm available. Thank you.